Hello everyone, myself Pankaj. Welcome to Being Fish Co. In this video, we will talk about points related to sanitation in fishing industry as well as irradiation of fish and fishery products, which is very useful for your JRF exam as well as fisheries related other competitive exam. So let's start with sanitation in fishing industry first. So first point, removal of dirt from solid surfaces. This is known as cleaning. Clean surfaces are basically those surfaces that are free from dirt as well as microorganisms. Detergents are used to clean dirts or remove away dirts, and disinfectants are used to remove away microorganisms. This is the difference between detergent and disinfectant, that detergents are used for dirts and disinfectant are used to remove microorganisms. Then food poisoning bacteria growth controls by lowering temperature to 10 degrees Celsius, or at most case it can be to 4 degrees Celsius. Detergent properties depends on length as well as number of hydrocarbon ions. Basically, detergents are sodium salts of fatty acid, that is Na plus and COO minus. Disinfectants, these are quaternary phosphonium ammonium salts. Ampholytic soaps, these are deuterans, both detergent as well as disinfectant. Ampholytic soaps acts like both detergent and disinfectant. Fish contaminated with human sweat, they basically get contaminated with staphylococcus bacteria. Then ideal liquid detergent for fishing industry is TPOL B or TPOL, and concentration is 0.5% solution. Detergents are classified into strongly alkaline, strongly acidic, mildly alkaline, mildly acidic, and neutral. Disinfectants are classified into chlorinating agents, that is bleaching powder and bleach liquor. Bleaching powder includes calcium chlorohypochlorite, and bleach liquor or washerman's liquor includes sodium hypochlorite. Chlorine gas, then quartz. Quartz is quaternary ammonium and phosphonium salt. Concentration is 0.1%. PVP of SIBA, that is polyvinyl pyrrolidine. It is a iodine compound. Concentration is 0.1 to 0.4 ppm for Salmonella and Streptococcus. Then steam is used for unpainted woods. It is 0.5% sodium thiosulfate is also used. Then coming to irradiation of fish and fishery products. Points related to irradiation of fish and fishery products. First point, unit of radiation is rad and bigger unit is kilorad. 1000 rad is equal to 1 kilorad and 1000 kilorad is equal to 1 megarad. Dash extends the shelf life without use of heat or chemicals, so it is irradiation. For fish, 15 kilorad at room temperature is sufficient and kept in cobalt 60. Source of radiation is cobalt 60, cesium, indium and strontium. Two parts, collar and cask. Collar is basically stainless steel sheet and cask is shielding. Shielding is made by any kind of material is used for the shielding, so it will come under cask. Irradiation destroys bacteria 1000 kilorad. Spore forming bacteria destroyed by 3 to 5 megarads. Yeast and molds are destroyed by 1 megarads. Common bacteria 500 kilorads. Clostridium botulinum is a anaerobic. In anaerobic condition, it is a facultative anaerobes. Okay. Pseudomonas, Achromobacter, Micrococcus, Lactobacillus, these are destroyed by 100 to 200 kilorads. Salmonella, radiation plus heat treatment is needed for removal of salmonella, or destroying salmonella you need radiation as well as heat treatment. Then for fish meal or fish products, the irradiation is done by 0.6 megarad for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so that's all for this video. We discussed sanitation in fishing industry as well as points related to irradiation of fish and fishery product. Important points only we discussed. The questions can be framed from these points only. Okay, so thank you for patience. Keep sharing the video. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. Till then stay safe.